Welcome to the Nasdaq Market Site. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me on set, we have Tanya Patwa. She's also with Nasdaq, and Tony Zhang with OptionsPlay. We're here to learn more about the Nasdaq 100 and NDX index options. Thank you both for joining us this afternoon. Now, Tanya, let's kick it off with you. Tell us about the NDX index options.
Yeah, thank you, Jill. Well, the Nasdaq 100 index is comprised of the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. The three major types of listed products on the Nasdaq 100 are ETFs, futures, and options. Today, we're going to talk about the options NDX and NQX. So NDX is our flagship Nasdaq 100 options product, which is valued at around $7,000 right now. Earlier this year, we launched a 1/5 reduced value product called NQX, which is valued at around $1,400 right now.
All right, and Tony, why do you like to trade the NDX options product?
So there's quite a few reasons why I actually quite like trading this product. First of all, these are cash-settled European-style options, which simply make managing them a lot easier throughout both the life cycle of the option as well as around options expiration. So with these cash-settled indexes, I don't have to worry about if one leg will get exercised early and leaving me exposed. And around options expiration, I don't have to worry about necessarily closing out all positions to avoid assignment. So that actually lowers my transaction costs. So making management of these trades a little easier. They're also have preferential tax treatment, which means 60% of my capital gains is taxed at short term, but 40% at long term. So that goes offset some of my tax bill at the end of the year. And lastly, the different contract sizes of NDX versus NQX are substantially larger than trading the ETFs or stocks. So I'm trading fewer contracts when I trade these. So that goes to lower my transaction costs as well. So those are some of the reasons why I really enjoy trading these products.
All right, Tanya, I'll ask you the same question as well. What are some of the other benefits?
Yeah, well, some of the additional benefits are having both AM and PM settled options, having weekly options, and also having Wednesday listed options on NDX. So all of these benefits combined really provide a lot of flexibility for institutions, for retail traders, and for financial advisors.
All right, and Tony, let's wrap it up with you. What strategies do you trade with NDX index options?
So we're here to introduce a series of short videos and a series of long webinars to introduce a few different trading strategies on the Nasdaq 100 index options. So the most popular trading strategy is actually generating income. So utilizing credit spreads to generate income is by far the most popular trading strategy. We're also here to talk about how to hedge a portfolio by buying protection against a market correction by buying put options on index such as Nasdaq 100. And then lastly, what we're here to talk about is technical analysis, how to leverage a directional view, whether you're bullish or bearish, taking that outlook and leveraging it using options, because it really allows you to take that directional view with limited risk. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore both the trading strategies themselves, the basic concepts, some best practices amongst each ones, and also at the end what we're going to do is we're going to launch a live trading example of each one of these to help drive home the point of each one of these strategies.
Okay, Tony, Tanya, thank you so much for joining me. And thank you for joining us. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.